Hi, I'm Nancy Neville, Realtor at RE/MAX Escarpment.
And I'm Mark Woehrle, broker at RE/MAX Escarpment.
We're down here by the lake in Grimsby today at our newest listing, 436 Maple Avenue on the corner of Maple and Lake.
Only steps from the lake, this home features parking for up to 6 cars, detached shop, large house waiting your touch. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
Don't forget to check out the basement. Thank you for visiting us here today at 436 Maple Ave in Grimsby, down by the lake.
If you have questions about this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Grimsby, please call us. My name is Mark Woehrle. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Nancy Neville, and I can be reached at 905-975-2009.